Hello, thank you for joining me for a new and exciting tutorial on the square one. Today we'll be doing some tips on the first move. With the first move, it's pretty much the hardest to try to figure out and get down, so I wanted to do a little video to make it easier for you. Of course, I got my McDonald's coffee. I'm enjoying it on Friday night. Good times. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to note was we have two pieces here. Always try to look for two pieces, whether it's on the top or the bottom. If there's not two pieces, try to move it around and bring another one up like that. Just look at the bottom, move it around to the top here, and it will come on this side. Or if you have it over here, move something around and try to see if, sometimes it bandages, you can't move it there. So then if you can't move it there, move it back over here on this side. Okay, I'm going to show that again. If you can't get it here, because it's not moving, move it all the way around to the other side so the slice could go like that. And then just keep turning till you get one of these little ones. Usually the bigger ones you can't do on the slice. Sometimes, not always. Sometimes it can, sometimes it can't. Just depends on, I guess the configuration on the bottom. But these usually always can move through the slice. So once you have two on top, you could put it here on this side, or you could put it on this side, depending on which one you got and if you could move this. So we just bring it back over here, and we have one piece here, and it doesn't matter if we break up the pair here, that's fine. Bring it up. So we got 4. Sometimes you'll get 3, and that's fine. If you want to just do a single piece, let's see if we can move it through. Yeah, if you want to do a single piece, and 3 is fine. That's what you want. You want 3 or 4. Then once you get 3, you bring it back over here, and see there's a piece here, and this piece will come right here, because that's what you want, and you got 4. So then you turn it to the side like this. Look for the pair. If you don't have a pair, try to create a pair, like bring this down, and try to configure it so you get a pair. Then you turn this so the pair's on the right side here. It's on the right. Then you bring it up like that. So once you bring it up, you turn this, bring it back down like this. So now we got 5, and that's fine. That's no problem. Then we turn it 1, 2 moves. Bring the pair up from, the pair's in front here. So if it's in front here, or you could turn it so it's in front here, then you bring it up here. Now you got 6, and that's what we want. That's the goal. Then you put on the left side here, and then we got 2 on the bottom. And like I've said in my previous video, if it's this way, it'll bandage. You can't bring it up. But see, it's got to be configured right. If it's this way, where you have the 2 like this, you can bring it up. So that's what you do, is you put this on the left side, this little 6-piece pinwheel thing, and bring this up like that. And that's the first step. So I just wanted to give a few tips, because sometimes this is the hard part for sure. It's definitely a harder part. You might have 4, or here we got 5. If you got 5, that's fine too, because you can knock out the 5th piece. It doesn't matter. You can bring it out, bring 2 up, or you just knock out the 5th piece. You could put the pair on the side like that. Knock out the 5th piece, bring that over here, turn it, bring it back down. 5th piece went back up. And then, let's see here. You bring the pair up like here, like this. We knock the 5th piece out again, turn it, and then we bring the pair back down. Bring this over here like this. We're going to knock this piece out, and it should put the pair back in. So we got the 6. That's what you want. Then we got this case. I'm glad this came up because you need to know how to do this. So you put it on the right side, wherever it's at. If it's over here, bring it to the right side. You keep the pinwheel on the left side. You keep this case on the right side, okay? Then you do a 2, slice. Then you do a -3. And then in the bottom, you do a 4. Sorry. 2, 4. Then it should be next move, slice. So you got the 6 again. Then it's 2 on top. 1, 2. And then you bring this up. And like I said, if it's the opposite way, you're not going to be able to bring it up. You got to have it this way. Then you just bring it up. And you got your slice. 8. You got all 8 like that. And then you start your next move, like down the middle. And I'll do a tip video on that too when I get a chance. But I just wanted to show this because this is the first part, and sometimes it definitely is the hardest part. The rest of them are just simple. There's really no algorithm for this, but the rest of the moves after this one are all algorithms. So, you know, so I just wanted to do a little walkthrough, show you some examples of how to do this. You know, you're gonna have cases where you only have 4. Sometimes, like I showed on the other one, you'll have 5 or 6 or sometimes 3. You just keep turning the bottom. You keep turning the bottom to, like here, bring it up, or you put it in front, bring it up, however the case is, and you rotate the puzzle, bring it up, to this side. You rotate it around to this side, or you bring it back over here, rotate it, whatever it takes. Just learn that. That's what you got to learn is how to keep rotating the pieces on the top and bottom. And once you get it, it's pretty easy. Sometimes you might have a little challenge, but 9 times out of 10, it's easy. Once you learn it, it becomes very simple, so just want to do a little quick tutorial on this. And, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And have a great Friday night. Enjoy yourself. And thank you for watching.